It is a PN150 platelet incubator along with the agitator. Okay, so backside they are provide a key for on and off purpose. So why we are not giving a just like a normal key? Because just like a normal key, anyone can malfunction. Whether you are not there, somebody has come and switch off the key, then your sample has to be damaged. That is the reason we have a give a key for on and off. So whether once on the machine, so this key has to be keep with you. Okay, no one can malfunction of this in it. Okay, this is the serial number, whatever the technical details has to be given on the temper plate. This cable has to be connected in main power card. This comes to UPS line. Okay, see, main thing is first this is the display. Okay, the display has given 4 parameters: F1, F2, F3, F4 buttons. F1 is main menu. So whether you have to press the main menu, the password are showing in 000 because defaultly they made it of 000 only password. Then you can go to right button, it's in F4. So then open is all sub menu. Okay, sub menus: settings, memory, service, packet settings, SMS, email. Because your options only for these two has to be accessed for your side. So once comes settings, you can enter this. Then main settings, it will again sub to sub menu, date and time setting, select languages, screensaver, change password, alarm, repeat times. Whether if you want to enter particular programming settings, just you can enter it. Now it comes to the time. So if you go to set the time, increase button or decrease button, it will take. Okay, see, whether set the times completely, then you can press this, it will comes to next parameter, then date. So then date also you can increment and decrement. So whether it is correct proper date, once you set, you can press it continuously right button. Now save the time and date settings. Next comes to select language. Either you are going to particular languages. If somebody else becomes any other countries, they want to monitor out their own language, just like a Turkish, English, France, these all languages. Okay, so now particularly English is generally they're using, no need to any manipulation. So comes to this, again come to memory. So memory also, see, this is majorly you have to take this graph. So failure history, whether when the failures, whether it is power failure or whether it is some malfunction or fluctuation, everything has to be in this. Suppose you can press it, see what are the errors, E off, particular date, particular time, they are showing like this. Then easy to identify whether what time they are goes half, what time they give trouble like that. So better. So comes to once back, again comes to history. This is total history. See, today this is time 13, temperature is 28, time 14, temperature is 36, like that. So you have to up to entire time, date and particular temperature, and you have to monitor out. Comes to back. This is history graph. See whether temperature, it will come like this curve. Now they are started, no? That's why they are nothing. So once completed 1 day, 2 day like that, so it will come your cursors. And also if you want, you can transfer the memory, whatever failure memory or history and all. So just you put your USB port here. Okay, so you can insert your new pen drive. Okay, don't use any virus, those kind. Particularly if you have one particular pen drive, so you can fix it, and you can press USB stick, then select copy of history, install instant record, copy failure history. So which history you need to copy your pen drive, so go on particularly you can select like this. USB is not found, so whether is USB you can place it out, so the transfer to file, wait like that, that symbol has to be come into this. Okay, this is okay. This is for menu settings. This F2 is directly setting to temperature. This is for light. So this is F3 for grabs. Okay, so very simple program. Okay, see whether this one you have to press, these all submenus are coming. Okay, settings, memory, service factory settings, SMS, email, because these options are not provided because you are not procured these options. Okay, so only you have to access for only these two part, settings and memory part. So comes to back, see this is directly setting to your temperature. See whether you have to press decrease or increase, then press the evaluate F4 button, evaluate the value and save the value. So if you want observing, you have to press this light is on, so agitator is working or what, you can monitor out easily. And also this agitator PS54, so around 150 bags you have to keep all the these things. So every dryer has to be pull out and you can fix it back. One thing. Second thing, so whether you need stop, that green button is there, no, you can press it, then automatically agitator movement is stopped, then you can take out the samples. Whether you leave the button, so within 10 seconds automatically they start up. Okay, so this is only the programs and parameters. If you want any doubts and all, so you can ask, no problem. Bye.